Welcome students. Let's continue with the digital electronics. In that, ones and twos complement methods of subtraction we were doing. In the last class we have studied signed binary numbers, how to represent signed binary numbers, and in that sign magnitude notation we have learnt. In that 0 MSB is 0 for positive binary numbers and MSB is 1 for negative binary numbers. And also there are some more methods to represent the signed binary numbers. In that, first one, ones complement method and twos complement method we have learnt, and these ones complement and twos complement methods are used in binary arithmetic in subtraction. That is, subtraction can be converted into addition, you can tell. Okay. In the last class we have studied ones complement method of subtraction. We have done some problems. Just take some more problems. That is 88 of decimal minus 56. 88 minus 56. In this, first we have to convert decimal 88 into binary. 2 5s are 1 is the remainder, 2 2s are 1 is the remainder, 2 1s are 0 is the remainder. Okay. 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 is a binary equivalent of 88. Now it is a minuend and subtrahend will convert into binary. It is 2 28s are 56, 0 is the remainder, 2 14s are 28, 0 is the remainder, 2 7s are 0 is the remainder, 2 3s are 1 is the remainder, and 2 1s are 1 is the remainder. Right? Now 1 1 1 0 0 0 is a binary equivalent of 56. Okay. Now this is our subtrahend. Our minuend is 1 0. I will write it here. Subtrahend minuend is, it's not compulsory to write this and all, just 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 minus the subtrahend, it is 1 1 1 0 0 0, and the shortage of digits occurs, you will put 0 in front of the number and take ones complement of this, that will be 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. 0 is replaced by 1 and all the ones are replaced by zeros, and again zeros are replaced by 1. That will give us ones complement of the subtrahend. Now 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 plus, you have to add it. If you have taken complement, then you have to add it. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, and carry 1, that is the end around carry, you have to discard that and add plus 1 to this. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, 1. And the answer is 1 and 5 zeros, that is the answer for 88 minus 56. 88 minus 56 will be 32 it is, right, and the answer we have got, that is also 32, 2 power 5 is 32. If you want, you can convert this binary number into decimal and that gives you the answer 32. Okay. This is what? This is how we do the ones complement method of subtraction. I will give some homework problems for you people. (28) for ones complement method home assignment problems. 28 minus 18 46 minus 23 91 minus 54, and the fourth one, the last one, that is 80 minus 47. Okay, these are the 4 problems. Try these problems using ones complement method of subtraction. Okay, you can take a screenshot of it and do the problem on your own. If you find any difficulty in solving these problems, please let me know. Next is 2's complement method of subtraction. Two's complement method of subtraction. You people already know how to take 2's complement of a binary number. For example, if this is a binary number, if you want to take 2's complement of this, means we have to first take 1's complement of this, that will be 0 1 0 0 0 and plus 1 you have to do to get the 2's complement will be obtained by adding 1 to the 1's complement number, that is 0 plus 1 is 1 0 0 1. This is the 2's complement of a given number. Okay. Now we will do some problems on 2's complement method of subtraction. I will take 10110 minus 1101. Okay. Now this is our minuend and is our subtrahend. I have to take the 1's complement of subtrahend first and then add 1 to that, then we will get 2's complement of subtrahend. That is 1's number of digits in minuend is 5 and it is 4. So I will make our subtrahend given is 01101. I will take because number of digits should be same. So 1's complement of subtrahend is 10010 plus 1, that is 2's complement of a subtrahend. We have got 2's complement of subtrahend. Now our minuend is 10110 plus I will write 10011 is the 2's complement of subtrahend, that is 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 1 plus 1 0 and carry 1. In this case, in 2's complement of method of subtraction, even you will get end around carry or end carry, that you have to discard it. Just you have to discard it and the answer will be, the final answer will be 1001 is the final answer. In 1's complement method of subtraction, you used to discard it and add 1 to the one to the answer, whichever the answer has come, we used to add that 1 to this, but in 2's complement method of subtraction, you just discard it and remaining bits will be the answer. So If you want to check, convert this into decimal. This will be decimal 13 and this is 16 plus 6, 22. 22 minus 13 it is, you should get 9 and we have got 9. If you want, do the same problem using ones complement method of subtraction, you will get the same answer. Okay. Now we will solve some more problems on 2's complement method of subtraction. We have some exercise problems, that is 55 minus 42. Any number you can take and do it. 55 minus 42 should be, you should get 13 and the answer should be 1101. Let's check using 2's complement method of subtraction. I have to convert 55 into binary. 2's are 7's are 1, 2 13's are 26, 1 is the remainder, 2 6's are 1 is the remainder, 2 3's are 0 is the remainder, 2 1's are 1 is the remainder, and that is 1 1 0 1 1 1 is the 2's complement, is the binary equivalent of 55. The 32 plus 16, 48 plus 7 is 55. Okay, 42 you have to convert into binary. 2 2's are 2 21's are 0 is the remainder. 2 10's are 1 is the remainder. 2 5's are 0 is the remainder. 2 2's are 1 is the remainder. 2 1's are 0 is the remainder, and 42 in binary will be 1 0 1 0 1 0 is the binary equivalent of 42. Now it is the minuend and it is the subtrahend. 55 minus 42 it is, this should be subtracted from that. So I have to take the number of digits. Here it's 6 and here it is also 6. So we have to take 2's complement of the subtrahend. 2's complement of this is, first I have to take 1's complement. 0 1 0 1 0 1 plus 1 I have to do. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. This is the 2's complement of the subtrahend I have got. Now I have to add this to the minuend, that is 1 1 0 1 1 1 plus 0 1 0 1 1 0. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, carry 1. 1 plus 0 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 and end around carry. I just discard it and the answer is 1101, which is a binary equivalent of 13. We have got it. Okay. This is how we will do the 2's complement method of subtraction. Okay. These problems will be asked for 5 marks. You believe it or not, these are very easy problems. If they ask the problems and given the numbers in decimal, and that will be asked for 5 marks. If they have given directly binary numbers for subtraction, then it will be 3 marks. For conversion of subtrahend and minuend carries 1 marks each, and method of subtraction using 2's complement and 1's complement, that carries 3 marks. So total 5 marks problems it will be. So very easy problems, you are getting 5 marks for that. Then you should be very careful in getting those 5 marks. You should not lose it. Okay, if in principles of electricity there are Thevenin's theorem and superposition theorem problems, they may a bit difficult compared to digital electronics problems. So scoring is very easy in digital electronics. So complete chapter, practice it, so you'll get complete marks in your pocket. Okay, we'll take some more examples. -67 minus 12 will convert 67 into binary. 1 is the remainder. 1 is the remainder, 0 is the remainder, 2 4s are, 2 2s are 0, 2 1s are 0, then it is 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. It is 67 of binary. Next is 12. You already know 12 will be 1 1 0 0. For your convenience I will do it. 2 3s are 0, 2 1s are, 1 is the remainder, it is 1 1 0 0 is a binary. Now number of digits in minuend is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here only 4 digits, 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 minus 1 1 0 0 it is. So I have to make the number of digits same, then I have to take 2's complement of that. For that replace all the zeros by ones and ones by zeros and add plus 1, add 1 to that 1's complement of number. 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 0 1, that is 2's complement of the subtrahend have got 1 1 1 0 1 0 0. So the minuend have got is 1 0 0 1 1 plus 1 1 1 0 1 0 0. Add it. 1 plus 1 is 0 and results 1 end around carry, just discard it, and the answer is 1 1 0 1 1 1 is the final answer. That is 32 plus 16, that is 48, plus 7 is 55. Here also we will get 55. Okay. If you face any difficulty in solving 2's complement method of subtraction or 1's complement method of subtraction, please text me. These are all very easy problems. Just you people know the methods. Don't do negligency that these are all very easy. If you miss one bit, you lose marks, so do it carefully. One more problem I will take. 37 minus 11. What should be the answer? 28 should be the answer. Just check it. 37, convert this into binary. 2 1s are, 2 8s are 16 1. 2 9s are 0. 2 4s are 1. 2 2s are 0, 2 1s are 0. This is our binary equivalent of 37. 1 0 0 1 0 1 is the binary equivalent of decimal 37, and 11 I already know. If you want to do it, 2 5s are 1, 2 2s are 1, 2 1s are 0, and that is 1 0 1 1 is the binary equivalent of 11. Now the given problem is 1 0 0 1 0 1 minus 1 0 1 1. So shortage of digits should add zeros in front of the number. Take 2's complement of the number, that is 110100 plus 1, that is 101011 is the 2's complement of the subtrahend I've got. Next 10010 is our minuend plus 1101 100101 it is, and it is 110101. Add it, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry 1, just discard that carry, and the final answer is 11010. And convert this binary into decimal, you will get 28. 16 plus, just check it, 28, it is 26, it should be 26. 37 minus 11 should be 26, and we have got 26. Okay. And these are all the problems we have solved by using 2's complement method of subtraction. You just need to remember how to take 1's complement. 1's complement can be taken, 1's complement of a binary number is nothing but replace all the zeros by 1's and 1's by zeros. That gives you 1's complement of a number. If you add 1 to that, you will get 2's complement of a number. And in performing 1's complement method of subtraction, you will get a end around carry. You will discard that and add 1 to the result. What you will get? You will get the final answer. In case of 2's complement method of subtraction, the same process, you will take 2's complement method of 2's complement of a binary number, which is a subtrahend, then you will add it to the minuend. Even in this case also, you will result in a end around carry. That carry you should just discard it in case of 2's complement method of subtraction, whereas in case of 1's complement, you will discard it and add 1 to that final answer you have got, then you will get final answer. So don't get confused with both, don't do such mistakes. Some students will do, they will be doing 1's complement method of subtraction. In that case, they will take 1's complement of subtrahend and add it to the minuend. Finally, they will just discard the carry. They will forget to add 1 to that answer. If you do that, then you will lose marks. In case of 2's complement while doing, you will get 2's complement method of subtraction. Finally, after getting the answer, you should just discard that carry, you should not add it. So remember both. Be careful in solving digital electronics problems. If you do it properly, very easy problems, completely 5 marks will be in your pocket. Any doubts? Please text me. Let's have some homework problems on 2's complement method of subtraction. 68 minus 31, 96 minus 41, 38 minus 7, 100 minus 86. Do these problems by using 2's complement method of subtraction. Take a screenshot and do the problem. Any doubts, text me. And that's all for today. Thank you.